When we want to represent a series of data, but we have more information in the table. For example, I want to represent savings against consumption only. That is, that I want to represent between the years 70 and 75. I want to represent the year and the income, and of this income, how much I have managed to save. That is, that the data are discontinuous. I can, with the tools, select discontinuous ranges. What I have to do is select a sub-range, in this case, year and income. So now, hitting the Control key, select the other range that, say, complements what would be a large range, as if we collapsed this one and removed consumption from the middle. So both sub-ranges would fit. In this case, I can always create a chart, and in this case, it is going to display income or savings income, also keeping in mind that between them we had consumption, which has not been represented. We have been able to represent discontinuous ranges. The other option we have for performing this would have been to select the whole range, and, with the chart that is created by default, in this case we could have told it that here we have too much data, that we want to remove the consumption column, in this case in the data selection window. It is very easy to select one of them, even if, as in this case, it is in the middle. We can remove it and the chart that is created is the one we wanted.